Listen to me. If you are approaching retirement, or if you are already there, you have entered the most critical financial phase of your life. This is the protection phase. You do not have the time to make mistakes with your hard-earned money, and you certainly do not have the luxury of letting confusion dictate your financial moves. Lately, you might be hearing a lot about cryptocurrency. Maybe your kids are talking about it, maybe it is all over the news, and you see a platform like Netcoins and you ask yourself, is this something I should look into? And if I do, how do I even get my money into it safely? I understand the fear. I truly do. The fear of the unknown is a powerful thing, and when it comes to the digital world, it can feel like everyone is speaking a completely different language. You are worried about scams. You are worried about clicking the wrong button and watching your retirement nest egg vanish into thin air. You are asking yourself, can I trust this? How do I actually pay for this without putting my entire financial security at risk? Let's break down exactly how you move money on Netcoins, because knowledge is your ultimate shield against financial ruin. When you want to fund an account on Netcoins, you have three primary paths. The first path, and the one that is most common for everyday use, is an Interac e-transfer. Now, why do I like this? Because you already know how to use it. It is the exact same system you use to send money to your family or pay a local business. It is familiar, it is secure, and on Netcoins, it is free. There is no fee to put your money in this way, and the minimum is usually just $10. It is fast, often taking just a few minutes to an hour to appear in your account. For those of you who want to dip a toe in the water without risking a large sum of money, this is a very safe, controlled way to start. The second path is a bank wire. This is for larger sums of money. If you are moving thousands of dollars, a bank wire is the heavy-duty option. Now, listen to me closely on this. Netcoins makes bank wires free if you are depositing over $3,000, but if you transfer less than that, they will charge you a fee. So, if you are not moving a large amount, do not use a bank wire. Stick to the e-transfer. A bank wire also takes longer, usually 1 to 3 business days, because the banks themselves have to verify everything. It is incredibly secure, but it requires patience. The third path is depositing cryptocurrency directly. If you already own digital assets somewhere else, you can transfer them into Netcoins for free. But if you are a beginner, you can disregard this for now. Now, I know what some of you are thinking. Susie, can I just use my credit card or my debit card? It is right there in my wallet. Here's the truth. Netcoins itself does not directly process credit or debit cards on their main platform. They partner with a third-party service called Simplex to allow credit card purchases, but I want you to hear me loud and clear on this. Do not use your credit card to buy cryptocurrency. Why am I saying this so forcefully? Because credit card purchases for crypto come with astronomical fees. You could be hit with a massive percentage fee from the processing company, and your own bank might treat that purchase as a cash advance. That means the moment you click buy, you are hit with high interest rates that start accumulating immediately. You are trying to build and protect your wealth, not hand it over to credit card companies and fees. If you do not have the cash sitting in your bank account ready to use via an e-transfer or a wire, you have absolutely no business buying crypto. Period. Another major fear I hear from retirees is, what happens when I want to get my money out? Am I going to get trapped? This is where you must look at the exit strategy before you ever enter. With Netcoins, when you want to withdraw your cash back into your regular bank account, you can use an Interac e-transfer, which is free. Or, if you are withdrawing a massive amount, you can use a bank wire. But pay attention, if you do a bank wire withdrawal for less than $25,000, they charge a $50 fee. So again, for most people, the e-transfer is your best friend because it keeps your money in your pocket. Furthermore, Netcoins has a strict rule to protect you from fraud. They will only allow withdrawals to a bank account that matches the exact name on your Netcoins account. This is a brilliant safety feature because even if a fraudster somehow got into your account, they cannot send your money to a random bank account. It has to come back to you. So, what is your actionable takeaway today? If you decide that a small percentage of your portfolio belongs in this asset class, and I mean a very small, risk-tolerant percentage, no more than 1 to 5% of your investable cash, your move must be methodical. First, you open the account and go through the verification process. Second, you fund the account using a free Interac e-transfer. Do not use credit cards, do not incur unnecessary wire fees for small amounts, and do not rush. Start with a small amount, $50 or $100, just to see how the system works and to build your confidence. You must be the master of your own cash. Do not let fear keep you completely in the dark, but do not let excitement make you reckless. Use the safest, lowest cost payment methods available to you, protect your principal, and stand in your financial truth.